Hey there, fellow gardeners! Today, I'm diving into the beautiful world of gladioli. These stunning flowers are a favorite for adding a burst of color to your garden. Let's get into the tips and timing you need to master planting gladioli. First things first, timing is everything. Gladiolus corms, which are like bulbs, should be planted in the spring after the last frost. This is usually around late April to early June, depending on your location. Aim for soil temperatures of about 55 degrees Fahrenheit or warmer. Now, when it comes to choosing the right spot, gladioli thrive in full sun. They love well-drained soil, so avoid areas where water tends to pool. If your garden soil is heavy or clay-like, mix in some compost or sand to improve drainage. Alright, let's talk about planting depth. Gladiolus corms should be planted about 4 inches deep, with the pointed end facing up. Space each corm around 6 inches apart to give them room to grow. If you want a more dramatic effect, plant them in groups of 7 or more. Watering is crucial, especially in the first few weeks. Keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. Once your gladioli start to grow, you can water them less frequently, but make sure they get about 1 inch of water per week. Feeding your gladioli is also important. Use a balanced fertilizer, like a October 10th 10 mix, once the shoots are about 6 inches tall. This will help them develop strong stems and vibrant flowers. As they grow, gladioli can get quite tall, sometimes reaching up to 4 feet. To prevent them from toppling over, consider staking them. You can use bamboo stakes or even decorative plant supports. Just be gentle when tying them so you don't damage the stems. Once your gladioli start blooming, you can cut the flowers for stunning bouquets. Just remember to leave at least 4 leaves on the plant so that the corm can continue to grow and store energy for next year. After the growing season, usually in the fall, it's time to dig up the corms. Let them dry for a few days, then store them in a cool, dry place over the winter. This way, you'll have healthy corms ready to plant again next spring. And there you have it. With these tips and proper timing, you'll be well on your way to growing magnificent gladioli in your garden. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more gardening tips. Happy planting!